Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep. You already know what this is from the title of the video, so let's just get right into it. I ordered 2 albums because I didn't want to pay for shipping. And so there's 2 Weverse pre-order gifts. We'll look at those in a second. So beautiful! The stickers! I'm gonna carefully take off the stickers later. And I saw some horror pictures of like the cover of the album like ripping off, the paper ripping off, so I'm gonna be very careful about not ripping the cover. Oh yeah, like, do you see that? Please be careful when you open your album. I don't know why, but it's like, it almost ripped off there. So I think I'll open it the other way because from right to left it seemed to have like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a little bit of, oh my gosh. So this time we will open it this way. Need to preserve the stickers. We'll add those to the album later. Okay, this one's safe. My gosh, careful of that. Oh no, and mine came a little damaged. That's the first time I've gotten an album that's come damaged. It tore and it's a little bit bent. Anyway, we've got Photobook, poster, and the CD. This time it's just a plain white CD. Got the poster. Love it, love it, love this photo shoot. And it's just blank on the back. And I'm gonna look at the photo cards last. I'll just do a real quick flip through of the photo book. I'll put timestamps so if you don't want to be spoiled for the photo book, you can flip ahead. I saw pictures of this on Twitter, fishbowl lens photos. Beautiful. Oh, Hobie's so beautiful. Jin. Is the order different from BE the Deluxe Edition? We've got Hobie to Jin. I'll have to look more carefully at the individual photos later. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Jiminy. Ooh. Those dragon eyes. Sugar. My gosh. Oh, these are such gorgeous photos. I love this room concept. BE was on Weverse like early this morning at like 4 a.m. and when someone asked for a selfie, he was like, "No, I'm tired of my face." And we're like, how can you be tired of this face? Then we've got a black and white section too, I see. I haven't looked up any unboxing videos yet, so this is my first look at it. Similar to the BE Deluxe Edition where they have half color photos and half black and white, but the photos are different. And the black and white section doesn't fall apart in your hands. RM looks a lot skinnier here than he did before. He's been working out hard. Should I look skinnier too? But yeah, RM's been getting buff lately. Oh, I love the black and white photos too. And then track list, it's just printed. And then a thanks to. Just pulled out my BE Deluxe edition because I wanted to see if the thanks to is the same. Okay, the thanks to is the same. So the poster is different because the BE Deluxe was this poster. And then Essential Edition has the room poster. So yes, there's obviously a lot more in the deluxe edition, but this is also a really nice album so far. Because we also get 8 photo cards, right? And a random photo card this time. Alright, now what I'm sure everyone is, this is the Weverse card. I know that the inclusions are horizontal, and then this random one is the random. So we'll look at these first. Cute RM. Cute. Jimin with the shoulder. Oh, so cute. Hobie. V. Gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to see these side by side with the deluxe editions. Oh, and I should pull out the other albums. Photocard too. I think I saw who that one is. I saw a little bit of their clothing, so I know. Here we go. This one is, I'm pretty sure, yes, hi! Hello, Junie. And, oh, hello again, Junie. 2 Junies, oh, and a Junie in the front here. And then we've got the 2 Weverse Preorder benefits. Hobie! And I was really hoping for Blonde JK. Yay! I'll spare you the screaming. I'm internally squealing right now, but yes, I was hoping for Blonde JK, and we could see how they would look. I'll have to decide later. This is just an unboxing, how I want to organize. Oh, that's so cute like that. That's adorable. I'll decide that later. I have bought new Photocard albums as well, so we'll figure that out, but JK, hello. Blonde JK. Who knows how long he'll be blonde for, so I'm so glad I have this to commemorate Blonde JK. Alright, that's it for today's quick unboxing. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please be careful when you open your album. Don't open it in the top right corner. Really be careful when you take off the plastic because, yes, I've seen multiple photos on Twitter of this part of the paper ripping off. So please be careful. And try to put the stickers on the cover. They do come off if you peel very carefully. So if yours doesn't come off very easily, then a trick is to use a hairdryer and heat it up before peeling it off. I think it's easier to peel off once the plastic is off the album like this, instead of trying to scratch it off though. So I'd recommend taking the plastic off first. I wish I could cover up that little tear. Gorgeous. All right. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!